On the notices of motion, may I invite Honorable Francis Ngunga to...
Clothing. There is a member who is not properly dressed. Honorable member.
Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker.
Yes.
So please order the honorable member to...
The Assembly authorizes the withdrawal of 50% of 17 billion from the County Revenue Fund, and further that this amount covers essential expenditures for the County Assembly and County Executive of Machakos County for the financial year 2026-2027 until the full Appropriation Act is approved.
I wish to move the motion that pursuant to Section 134 of the Public Finance Management Act of 2012 and Regulation 36 of the Public Finance Management Regulation of 2015, the Assembly authorizes the withdrawal of 50%, and I repeat, 50% of Kenya shillings 17 billion 797 million 279,725 shillings from the County Revenue Fund, and further that this amount covers essential expenditure for the County Assembly and the County Executive of the Machakos County for the financial year 2026-2027 until the full Appropriation Act is approved.